Creating a Lloyds Savings Account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the web page lloydbank.com. Next, go to the menu from the top bar. Then, click on Savings. Here, scroll down the page to explore a number of savings accounts. So, tap on an Easy Saver savings account. From the bottom of the page, tap on Open Now. Next, a new page has opened. So as you see, you are applying for an Easy Saver account. Provide an answer to the question if you're already a Lloyds Bank customer. Conditions include being a UK resident and over 16 years of age. Moreover, you will also need your address for the last 3 years. After giving a read on the entire page, click on Apply Now. So give information about you, so you must include all the fields. Here, this includes your title, first name, middle name, last name, gender, so on and so forth. In the end, tap on Continue and you are all done.